Hi everyone, how are you today? My name is Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me. This tutorial is based in a 12-beat rhythm. This is an escobilla section. I use this material in my own alegría solo. So let's go ahead and get started. So the previous video that I did regarding the alegrías escobilla, if you're interested in learning that step, which is a great step to work on the articulation of your planta de con, go ahead and check it out. The link is below in the description, okay? This is the second escobilla step that we're working on. I'm gonna do it right and left. At the end of this series, we'll have put together an entire escobilla section that you can use in any one of your 12-beat rhythm solos, really. It's a great footwork exercise that you can add to other material. So going to the right, we're starting on the one. Planta, heel, heel. So ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel. Starts the same as the other footwork phrase. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat. Ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. And it sounds like this. I'm going to count 4, 5, and 6 and then start. 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So that's how it sounds. So that's going to the right. It's actually, I would count to 12. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Now we're going to the left side. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat. Right, starting on the left foot. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat. Ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. And it sounds like this. Now I'm going to count 4, 5, 6. Starting on 7, we will start the footwork. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. There we go. So now let's do right, left. 10, 11, 12. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Now, that right side, which is a long 12-beat phrase. We're starting on the 1. We're not starting on the 12, we're starting on the 1. So it'll sound like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3, right? Ball, heel, ball. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. It's kind of a long phrase, huh? So let's do that long phrase. In compás. 4, 10, 11, 12. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11. Good. Very good. So right, we're going to do the short phrase. Right, left, and then the long phrase to the right. 4, 5, and 6. If you want to add to the left side, let's go ahead and do it. You've already done it, but we're just changing the sequence, okay? So we're going to go left, right, left. Again, ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, right? And then the long sequence is ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel. So let's try that. Here we go. Left, right, left. Here we go. 4, 5, and 6. 5 and 6. 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. Good. Now we're going to do right, left, right. Left, right, left. This whole time we really want to work on keeping our posture nice and lifted. So instead of pushing forward, want to stay nice and upright. Abdominals engaged. The pelvis, the hips you want forward, no swaying in the back. And I think of rotating my shoulders back and down. So I feel that pulling up in the front and going down in the back. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, starting on the 1 to the right side. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, check out the other video, see if you like it, connect it, bring it together, and see if you would like to implement that in your footwork exercises. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's a pleasure connecting with you, and I look forward to the next time we see each other. Wishing you a phenomenal day. Thank you. Bye.